Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. I am Bill, your Drunken Sailor, and we are having a ball. We're getting ready for another storm. So if you're trying to figure out how to weather that storm, hit that subscribe button right there and you can see all the cocktails you want while you're snowed in. In the meantime, leave us a comment, give us a like, but let us know. Today we are making a cocktail called the Frostbite. So let's get pouring. This cocktail, since we got plenty of time being snowed in, is going to be made in a shaker. First ingredient in there is going to be creamed cacao, and we're going to use a ½ ounce. Next ingredient in there is going to be blue curacao. Now this is a blue curacao that we've made out here at home. You can see the recipe in our playlist behind the bar, and we're going to use 1 ounce. Our next ingredient, one of our favorites, is tequila. We're using a Fortaleza, and it's the Blanco. We're going to put 1½ ounces in there. The last thing that's going into the shaker is going to be cream, and we're going to use 1 ounce. Time to ice it up and shake it down. As you can see, we've got condensation on the side of the tin, so that tells us that we're at the right temperature. All right, now we need to get some ice in our glass. We want to fill it with ice. Nice and cold, 2 scoops. And now we pour. All we got left to do is garnish, and we're going to use a couple of cocktail cherries. We're using the cocktails from Traverse City Whiskey Company. Put those on a skewer, and there you go. We're garnishing, and there it is, the Frostbite. Cheers, everyone.